Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to be doing a review of what we did. It's on Sunday. It would be our adventure with the cars and all that, especially with Didi, his little 99 Silverado, and me with the Avalanche. Sorry if you guys hear that in the background. That's actually Pollo chewing on his bone. I'm going to show you guys that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you clips and like just photos and just how do I say it? I don't know what you would call those, but him driving by and all that. Don't want to call it a drive-by, it just doesn't sound right. But yeah, let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
But yeah, guys, that was our full Sunday slash kind of Saturday. But I hope you guys liked the little montage that I put around there, put together there, especially the Pollo part. But I want to give a shout out to Didi. Like I said, I mean, that's a pretty clean truck. I'm gonna try to make a separate video of the evolution of his truck. Like mine, I really didn't have any before and afters of what I had. I wish I would have done it now that, you know, I can do YouTube videos, but he actually has all the before and after pictures of his truck, which I'll be putting that, I'm guessing either tomorrow. I had to get more pictures and videos from him. But yeah, oh, and also to Blue. She's the one who actually recorded everything. So, but yeah, hope you guys, like I said, like this video. If you want to see more, leave a like. But see you next time.